Welcome to Pebbles channel. Today we are going to learn a new language, French, la français. I hope you are all excited to learn this new language. So am I. Today we will begin by learning the alphabets in French. Then we will learn the numbers from 0 to 10. We will also learn the days of the week and the months of the year in French. Shall we begin? To learn the alphabets in French are the same as that of the English alphabets. The only difference is the pronunciation. So let us learn one by one. A is pronounced as A. The letter B is pronounced as B. This is C. This is D. The letter E is pronounced as A. F is pronounced as F. The letter G is pronounced as J in French. H is pronounced as hush. The letter I is pronounced as E. The letter J is pronounced as G. The letter K is pronounced as K. L remains the same, L. M is pronounced as M. N is pronounced as N. The letter O also remains the same. The letter P is pronounced as P. Q. R is pronounced as L. S is pronounced as S. T is pronounced as T. U is pronounced as U. V is pronounced as V. W is pronounced as W. X is pronounced as X. The letter Y is pronounced as Y. And this is Z. Let us go over it once more. A, B, C, D, E, F, J, H, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. It may be difficult at first, but if you practice, it's going to be very easy. Now, let us learn the pronunciation in detail. The letter A is pronounced as A. B is pronounced as B. C say. D is pronounced as day. E is pronounced as a. F is pronounced as F. It's the same. G is pronounced as J. H is pronounced as hush. I is pronounced as E. J is pronounced as G. Let us go over this once more. A, B, C, D, A, F, J, hush, E and G. Now let us go over to the next set of letters. Now let us go over to the next set of alphabets. K is pronounced as K. L is pronounced as L. M is pronounced as M. N is pronounced as N. O also remains the same. It is pronounced as O. The letter P is pronounced as P. The letter Q is pronounced as Q. The letter R is pronounced as R. The letter S is pronounced as S. The letter T is pronounced as T. Let us move on to the next set. The letter U also remains the same. It is pronounced as U. The letter V is pronounced as V. The letter W is pronounced as W. I repeat, W. X is pronounced as X. Y is pronounced as Y. And Z is pronounced as Z. It is always good to learn a new language, and if you're looking for an easy language to learn, French is the key. French may sound difficult at first, but it is very easy. If you have the determination, you can learn French very easily. Now, let us practice the alphabets one more time. So say it along with me. A, B, C, D, A, F, J, hush, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Let us say it one more time. Repeat with me. A, B, C, D, A, F, J, hush, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Was it easy? Don't worry if you don't get it the first time. Keep practicing and it will be a piece of cake.